And we also got some Orbeez. Gonna add in last. Yeah.
And we're also gonna add a little bit of these stuff.
But it's stuck to my hand, so I'm trying to get it off.
Because we're adding sanitizer.
And it makes it very sticky.
So,
Okay, so
look.
we got a little bowl because we barely have any glue left from the last slime video.
Oh, where's the? We need the whatever that's called again. What? Oh yeah, the
What do we need?
activator.
Oh, we also got some little bottles of activator. They're just so cute. Okay, so we're all going to be taking turns to add a little bit of each item into the bowl.
It's stuck in my hand.
Okay,
So I'm gonna start.
Cassie's gonna start, and I'm gonna go second. Cora's gonna go last because she needs to get the stuff
I
off.
think he mixed up the cups.
Ow! Oops, sorry. Add a little bit. It's hard to get them from the bottom.
Start coming out. Squeeze from the top and squeeze all the way down. How you just start with that one?
I'm gonna try to open the blue one.
Kelly's literally not coming out.
Because the pink one's not working. The pink's not working. I tried to get the blue out. Totally working.
I'm getting glue on my hands, but that's
not working at all. Get out of my hand.
Kelly, the glue's not coming out. Can we just open the container?
Yeah, we're gonna get scissors and cut open the container. Why, I stay here and try to get this off my hands.
And I actually just added sanitizer to it. As you saw, and I didn't mix it.
Oh, it's actually coming off. Okay. Okay, I got big scissors. Oh my god. Little scissors and big scissors.
It's not working.
How do you cut the bottle?
I think it's like this.
We're not smart kids. Are we even supposed to have shaving cream? We can.
Oh, shoot. Kylie, hold the container where I cut. This bottle is strong.
I'm gonna ask my grandma. I'm gonna ask grandma, okay? It's almost at 3 minutes already. It is. Sorry. So we might have to end the video and do another video.
No, we don't.
I'm just kidding. Maybe. I said maybe. My grandma needs big scissors.
Look at it. Like it's stuck.
It's not stuck to my hand anymore. Grandma's mad at us because we got glue inside on the scissors. Talk to the camera. So guys, can you please, while we're waiting for our parents to cut open the glue bottle, because we can't, can you please go down and subscribe to our channel
And give us a big thumbs up.
and share.
And don't forget to hit the bell.
Hit the bell. Because we barely have any subscribers and likes. Because I don't know why. Because we've been barely making any videos.
And we're
but
just trying to make a lot, but it doesn't work really.
Yeah, so
Just please like and send us love.
it's 4 minutes already. Oh. Because it will give us a lot of support, and comment down below what your favorite type of slime is. Yeah. We're gonna go check on our parents. So I am.
This one, you guys probably want to fill it. It's literally so fill it. I think Kylie's gonna just
Got some of it.
It's purple. It might like look. It's dark over here, but it looks really bright, right?
Yeah.
Guys, someone's starting to get sticky.
I'm gonna go get a pencil and get it out. Do we have any Play-Doh? We can make some out of Play-Doh.
No, I did that before. Oh my god. No, I don't know.
We can make some out of that.
Guys!
We can make some out of that.
No.
Yes, we can.
No, we're not making slime out of this. But I would care for you to add some activator.
I'm gonna go.
I'm just gonna do it again. It takes forever. So guys, I actually too much. I added a little bit of my code.
I think you can make some out of paint.
Making slime out of paint. So Kylie keeps saying we can make slime
Out of Play-Doh.
Play-Doh, this, and paint.
Ow, the charger.
Sorry guys, we have to use the charger because
It's gonna die.
we don't want the computer to die.
Like that happened last time. The glue's not getting out. So maybe we should just ditch this plan and do something else in the video.
No, we should just get the glue out.
Even though you're the oldest, you try.
So it's actually stuck to my hand, so I can't.
Cora.
Kylie, you're older than Cora. I'm the oldest too. I'm almost 9.
It's my mom.
No, I can't get this on my hands.
That's my mom.
That's your mom.
That's my mom. Okay, just don't care. I'll be right back. 1 second. You talk through the camera.
Okay,
No, bye. I'll be right back.
If you guys didn't know, it's actually Kylie's actually my close friend. So I can't leave you even though I want to, but I don't want to because I don't want us to lose any subscribers or likes or get any thumbs down.
Just please subscribe. I really need you guys to subscribe, please.
I dropped it. Kylie, is my costume going to turn over out of stuff? Sanitizer here?
Yeah. Not that one, but the hot pink one.
Just hate it.
You don't see it now.
Sit here.
Mommy, we're making a YouTube.
But here's the thing. The glue's stuck in the containers.
Oh, very cool.
Just keep it like that.
It's already 8 minutes.
It's okay. So this video is supposed to be 30 minutes, but it's actually already 8 minutes.
That's weird.
Let me
Shaving
add
cream.
That's not shaving cream.
Where is it?
Wait, it is. Look, wait.
It says shave on
You're
it.
supposed to shake it.
Oh. We can make slime out of shaving cream.
Now just wait. That's enough shaving cream.
Now we just mix it. No, that's fine.
Wow, Kylie, that was a lot. Let me mix.
My turn.
Kylie, turn it. No, Kylie, you have to make this.
Ah!
You have to face this down so the glue.
So, let me ask my mom, okay?
Look, guys. Stuck.
I'm trying to make it, but it won't work.
Ew. I've seen it over here.
So I'm trying to put it to the side so you guys don't see it. It's a mess. Sorry. I cannot fix it. Shaving cream. How we did.
Oh. I think we have to make some out of here, guys. Out of the container. I told Cora, I think we have to make some out of the container.
What?
I think you have to make some out of the container.
No.
So that's what I'm gonna do. I put it back in.
Oh,
I'm
Kylie,
gonna slide out the container.
that doesn't mix. Okay, we don't have any in there.
No.
No.
What about all the other glue? Is that all the glue we got left?
Yeah,
Turn it upside down.
that's what we're trying to do.
I'm just making slime out of the
Really? You
container.
couldn't put something on the table, guys? That's not very nice. It's not funny either, Kylie.
Yeah, clean it up.
We will. Okay, so guys, we're so sorry that we're not talking much to
So much so
Camera.
because
It's stuck in my hand because I accidentally added shaving cream.
as you can see, I'm making slime out of the container.
Now we need a mix.
A lid.
Activate.
So I could shake it.
Okay, that's good.
So either doing that, I'm doing this.
We're trying to make slime with shaving cream, but
Because it's working. Slime in the container.
Not working. So guys, we're so sorry that we're not talking much. It's because
We got in trouble.
we got in trouble for not putting something on the table before we make the slime.
Kylie, don't ask why I'm doing this.
What? That makes it stuck to your hands. I had to get out from you. Jeez.
Is that help me with this?
No.
Just don't tell me you guys added all that activated to that's.
We didn't do all of it.
It's exploding.
Oh my god, that
It's slime.
it looks so
Wait, move the shaving cream bottle so I can see.
No, we need shaving. I'm doing the shaving cream. You do that. I'm doing the shaving cream. You do the activate cream.
I
You
did
shaving cream
slime
first.
and it's working in the container.
That's enough. Make it really
But I'm
soft.
trying to shove it back in.
It's a lot though.
Oh, we had to. That was my shaving cream.
We did a lot of shaving cream. you know.
It smells like gel.
And show it.
Guys,
Don't
that
say
didn't
it.
work. We thought this video was gonna be a fail. Hi.
We're making a YouTube video.
We're making a YouTube video and we made slime. I made slime out of the container.
Your mom's going to be here in 1 hour, okay?
Okay.
Sorry.
Sorry, you guys. I didn't think you would actually do that. Towel. Sofa. I think we added too much shaving cream. It's kind of like that.
Yeah, the glue wasn't coming out, so we made slime out of the container.
What?
We made slime out of the container and it's working a little bit.
Looks good. Looks a little bluish. Not blue.
What happened?
Makeup.
What I need.
Don't you know